Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create top border in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets file. First is then show the Google Sheets file is the create from the top border. Now select from the place area. Now going to the border menu option. Now click on the top border option. That's it. Then show the create from the top border. Then again another place option. Now select. Now going to the border menu option. Now click on the top border option. That's it. Then I show the create top border in Google Sheets file. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.